In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to your Facebook story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app, and once it is done, just tap right here where it says Create Story. Now guys, everything depends on if we would like to add music first or after we selected a picture or a video. If first off you would like to choose music, you need to tap right here at the very top where it says music. It will show you the list of all the songs that you can use in your stories. You can hit Add Play button next to any song to listen to it. If you would like to add this song to your story, all you have to do is just tap on it. After that, we can select a background for our story. We can select some background from here, and also we can use any of our pictures or videos from the camera roll as a background. Now I'm gonna choose that background, and after that we can edit this story as we usually do so. Let's say we can add there some text. I'm just gonna enter hello here. Then we can change this text color. We can move it around. We can place it anywhere we want. Also, we can use this stickers tool to add some stickers, GIFs, emojis, or if we tap right here, we'll be able to select some picture from our camera roll to add this picture to our story, just like that. Also, now we can change the lyrics style. We can easily do so in this way. I prefer to use that one. Now I'm going to hit add done, and then we can also move it around to place it anywhere within the frame of our screen. So that's how we can create our story, starting with selecting music. In another way, once we are here, first off we can select some picture or video to use it as a background for our story. Let me use that one, and once we've selected our media file, picture or video, then we can just tap right here to add music to that story. It will open up the same pop-up where we can select in the same way any song, and once we tap add a song, it will add it to our story. And after that, in the same way, we'll be able to use this stickers tool, this text tool. Also, we can tap at this picture of an album, and then we can change its style in the same way. Also, by dragging this audio track left or right, we can select the exact part of this song we would like to use on our story. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.